Just as nature moves through cycles blooming, shedding, resting, and renewing, so do we. Our emotions shift with the seasons. Our energy rises and falls. Our needs evolve. And when we learn to align our self-care with these natural rhythms, we stop fighting the flow. We start living in harmony with it, says. This is the practice of emotional seasons, cognizing how light, temperature, cultural rhythms, and seasonal transitions affect your emotional landscapes, and designing your self-care to match. Let's begin with winter. Stillness, reflection, and restoration. Winter is the season of quiet. The days are short. The nights are long. The world slows down.
So should you?
Emotionally, winter invites introspection. You may feel more inward, more sensitive, more tired.
That's not
Weakness, it's wisdom. Your nervous system is asking for rest. Self-care in winter means slowing down. Cancel non-essential plans. Choose depth over speed. Creating warmth. Cozy blankets, warm drinks, soft lighting. Journaling, reflect on the past year. What did you learn? What do you want to release? Sleep hygiene, go to bed earlier. Let your body restore. Gentle movement, yin yoga, stretching, walking, in silence. Emotional permission. It's okay to feel quiet. It's okay to feel low. Not broken, you're wintering. Winter is not the time to push. It's the time to listen. Sukokun. To prepare for what's next. Now comes spring, renewal, growth, and emotional awakening. Spring is the season of emergence. The light returns. The flowers bloom. Your energy begins to rise. Emotionally, spring brings hope, curiosity, a desire to start fresh. You may feel bursts of motivation or anxiety about change. Both are normal. Self-care in spring means decluttering your space, your mind, your calendar, setting intentions. What do you want to grow this season? Connecting with nature. Walks, gardening, sunlight, trying new things, hobbies, routines, relationships, emotional check-ins. What's waking up in you? What needs support? Celebrating small wins. Every step forward counts. Spring is a time to plant seeds literally and emotionally. So you don't need to bloom yet. You just need to begin. Then comes summer. Expansion, joy, and emotional expression. Summer is the season of light, long days, high energy, social connection, adventure. Emotionally, summer invites playfulness, creativity, boldness. That's why balance matters. Self-care in summer means play, dance, laugh, explore. Let joy be your medicine. Hydrationally, water, fruit, rest. Don't burn out in the heat. Social boundaries. Say yes with intention. Say no with love. Creative expression, art, writing, movement. Let your emotions speak. Morning rituals. Start your day with clarity before the world rushes in. Evening wind downs, sunset walks, cooling baths, digital detox. Summer is a time to shine but not to overextend. Protect your energy while embracing your light. Then comes autumn. Transition, gratitude, and emotional grounding. Autumn is the season of change. Leaves fall, air cools. The pace slows. Emotionally, autumn brings reflection. You may feel nostalgic, thoughtful, or tender. Set as a time to harvest what you've learned, let go of what no longer serves. Since Self-care in autumn means gratitude practice. What are you thankful for? What did this year teach you? Grounding rituals, warm meals, cozy spaces, journaling, emotional release, crying, writing, talking it out. Let the leaves fall. Preparing for winter. Adjust routines, stock emotional resources. Boundary setting. As schedules fill, protect your peace. Seasonal reflection. What do you want to carry forward? What do you want to leave behind? Autumn is a bridge between doing and being, between growth and rest. It slowly. Let's talk about year-round emotional awareness. Seasons shift. Some emotional practices constant. Emotional check-ins. What's my inner journaling? Track how your emotions change with light, nature, and life events. Flexible routines. Adjust your habits to match your emotional climate. Compassion. You're allowed to feel different in different seasons. Community support. Share your emotional states with trusted people. Witness your cycles. You are not meant to feel the same all year. You are meant to evolve. Let's recap your emotional season toolkit. Rest, cocoon, crying, begin, grow, connect, summer, express, play, protect, autumn, ground, release, air, surround, trap, adapt, honor. As emotional isn't etiquette skill. And when you learn in rhythm with your emotional climate, you stop resisting your nature. Start flowing with it. So, ask yourself, what season am I in emotionally? Then respond with care, with rhythm, trust, because you are nature, and nature knows how to heal.